Hello and welcome back to the D-COT disCast. I'm your host Steve, and today is...
Hey, Nickelhead.
CB.
Is this thing ready?
Nine, what's going on?
Hey, whoa, wait, what are you doing? What's going on here?
disCast, get it together. Are we good? Hey, Nine. Timekeeper, can I start? Like, did you fix the issue? Yeah. Hello and welcome back to the D-COT disCast. I'm your host Steve, and today is Wednesday, June 14th, 2023. And today we're talking about halfway to the holidays announcement, Grand Floridian Lobby renovations, character breakfast returns to EPCOT, and more. Man, that was a rough start to the podcast. Or the disCast, or whatever, the same thing, right? I am going to definitely have one of these haichus from Japan. This one's pineapple. Did you ever get a haichu from the Japan pavilion? They're really good. Anyway, let's get started here. So, Disney Food Blog posted a video on Twitter of the new standby queue outside of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind at Epcot. My first thought was there is no shade at all to protect guests from the blistering Florida sun, and I'm really hoping that Disney is going to add some umbrellas for shade. And I wasn't the only one who commented those thoughts too. On Monday, Disney started tweeting their hashtag halfway to the holidays tweets, and one of them was, get this, it was weird. I didn't really understand it. I think they were just being cutesy, but it said, "Attention, there have been reports that one of our reindeer is on the loose and has been spotted flying across the globe giving out gifts ahead of the holiday season. Please report any sightings using hashtag halfway to the holidays and stay tuned for the latest alerts." Then another tweet rather. "We've just got word that the reindeer is wearing their sleigh collar with a built-in gifting presence system, or GPS. Stand by for signal, ... Okay, and then they proceeded every 20-30 minutes to tweet only a coordinate, latitude and longitude. First one was in Canada, then it was the Arctic Ocean, and the Lincoln Sea, then Greenland, then the Greenland Sea, then Newfoundland, and they continued. And I still don't understand what the point of all that was. Is it dropping gifts in those locations? Like, I don't get it. I do know that Disney has some holiday gifts or treats this week to kind of pump up get people hyped up for the holidays and to start booking their Mickey's, Very Merry Christmas party and things of that nature. But I don't know. Whatever. Continuing with the holiday news, Disney has teased a larger holiday presence for Disney's Hollywood Studios at Walt Disney World. In addition to the teaser, there is a rumor that Disney is going to introduce a ticketed event at Hollywood Studios for the holiday season. It sounds like the event may be a Disney After Hours event, but more details on the rumored event are expected to be announced on June 15th. Nothing that they can ever do will ever top the Osborne family spectacle of dancing lights. More holiday stuff, this time on the West Coast in Disneyland. Disney has officially confirmed that It's a Small World holiday will return this holiday season. This ride overlay features the dolls of the attraction all dressed in traditional holiday clothing from each of their respective cultures. Okay, there's no more holiday stuff right now, so let's jump on back over to Disney World Experiment 626. Mr. Stitch is once again on the loose. Guests visiting Magic Kingdom will now find Stitch roaming Tomorrowland. Stitch has been extremely popular as a walk-around character, so don't be surprised if he's constantly moving and exploring. Ohana. Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa's lobby is getting some refurbishment. While Disney World has not released any concept art for the lobby refresh, I'm going to go say it's probably going to be something along the lines of what we have seen in other buildings' refurbs. The carpet and furniture in the main lobby definitely need an update. When I sit down on the couches, I can feel the dust poof out from my butt. Just kidding, but maybe I'm not. But it's about time. The GF got some LUV. I don't know where I was going with that one. Okay, next. A popular character breakfast comes back today. Breakfast is such a fan favorite at the parks. I know it is for me because you can't go wrong with the Mickey waffles, especially when they are unlimited. Over at EPCOT at the Land Pavilion, you can dive into an all-you-care-to-enjoy family-style breakfast with the Chip and Dale Harvest Feast once again. Breakfast will be priced at $42 per adult and $27 per child. So what does this get you? You'll get a family-style platter of cinnamon breakfast loaf, smoked bacon, fruit, eggs, Mickey-shaped waffles, and more. And you can, of course, keep asking for more until you eat and roll yourself into soaring. If you're a Star Wars fan and you love video games, well, Ubisoft has released the first gameplay video and more details about Star Wars Outlaws. The upcoming open-world video game is coming in 2024. Players will take the leading role of Kay Vess, a clever scoundrel in the galactic underworld. Kay is looking to attempt one of the biggest heists the Outer Rim has ever seen, all in an effort to start a new life. She is joined by her Merqual companion Nyx, perched atop her shoulder, along with a trench coat wearing BX Commando droid named ND5. Trader Sam's at Disneyland, for its 60th anniversary, has a new tiki mug. An all-new limited-time Jose Tiki mug is coming to Trader Sam's to celebrate their 60th anniversary of Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Let's take a closer look and see what's going on here. The mug is going to be available on Friday, June 16th for 1 day only. Guests can purchase it via mobile order on the Disneyland app. Orders will begin as early as 6 a.m. Pacific time, and once your mug has been ordered, you may pick it up within your designated arrival window between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m., and there's going to be a limit of 2 per order. And as we all know, we are going to see these Jose Tiki mugs probably up online on Friday for 4 times the price that they paid for it, because you gotta love Disney resellers. Even if they only get 2 per order, they'll figure out a way around that. Just watch. I just watched the teaser trailer for Disney Pixar's next movie, which is coming on March 1st, 2024, called Elio. The original feature film introduces Elio, an underdog with an active imagination who finds himself inadvertently beamed up to the Communiverse, an interplanetary organization with representatives from galaxies far and wide. Mistakenly identified as Earth's ambassador to the rest of the universe and completely unprepared for that kind of pressure, Elio must form new bonds with eccentric alien life forms, survive a series of formidable trials, and somehow discover who he is truly meant to be. Head on over to YouTube to watch it. I usually don't get excited about Disney Pixar movies anymore because I don't know, I just don't. Like, Elemental looks cute, but I'm not gonna rush out to see it. Elio looks like a movie that, a family-friendly movie that's really entertaining and really exciting to see. Go check it out. All you Run Disney fans, Disney announced yesterday that the most wonderful time of the year just became merrier with an all-new event from Run Disney, the Run Disney Virtual 12Ks of Christmas. Disney said, quote, "The first of its kind virtual event features 3 4K running events and a challenge, all hosted by favorite Disney friends. It's also a perfect way to stay motivated during the holiday season and keep you from sledding off your training plans for a future Run Disney event," end quote. Disney's not ready to unwrap all the event details, but you can head on over to rundisney.com for more news to come this summer. And that, my friends, is it for today's D-COT disCast. And thanks for listening. We look forward to bringing you more Disney news and reviews on Friday.
Thank you!
Today I leave you with one of my most favorite tracks in the D-COT jukebox, found in EPCOT at the Wonders of Life Pavilion. This one is called Carousel: A Day in the Park.